Welcome to the world of rustic woodworking, where craftsmanship meets creativity to transform spaces into warm, inviting environments. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's decor or create a memorable ambience in a restaurant, rustic woodworking provides endless possibilities. The charm of natural wood, combined with personalized designs, allows you to infuse your surroundings with character and warmth. Here, we explore various projects and ideas that embody the essence of rustic design, offering inspiration for anyone wishing to enrich their environment. Rustic woodworking captures the essence of nature, infusing spaces with warmth and authenticity. The character of unrefined wood, often accompanied by imperfections in grain and texture, brings an inviting presence that engineered materials struggle to replicate. This natural beauty can transform an ordinary room into a cozy haven, where the ambience fosters relaxation and conversation. Incorporating rustic elements creates a sense of grounding, making environments feel more connected to the earth. One of the most appealing aspects of rustic woodworking is the use of reclaimed materials. Salvaged wood, sourced from old barns, fences, or pallets, carries a rich history that adds depth and story to any piece. This practice not only celebrates sustainability but also benefits the environment by reducing waste. Each reclaimed board can be transformed into unique decor, ensuring that no two pieces are alike. The varied textures and colorations in reclaimed would make it a versatile choice for any design theme. Wall decor made from wood can significantly elevate a space's aesthetic. Rustic woodworking can bring walls to life through various forms, such as wooden plaques, artwork, or even customized signs that reflect personal values or themes of the restaurant. Layering different types of wood can create visually engaging displays that offer depth and interest, making a space more inviting. Additionally, incorporating natural elements like driftwood or branches can introduce a three-dimensional aspect to wall decor, making it truly unique. Rustic woodworking is not just a trend, it's a celebration of nature's beauty and the skilled artisans who work with it. The raw and often imperfect characteristics of wood create a sense of authenticity that resonates in both residential and commercial spaces. From custom furniture and decorative accents to functional storage solutions, rustic wood elements bring a timeless appeal that enhances the atmosphere of any setting. By incorporating rustic designs, homeowners and business owners can craft spaces that not only invite connection and comfort but also tell a story of sustainability and craftsmanship. Join us on this journey to discover how rustic woodworking can elevate your decor and create lasting impressions. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of rustic woodworking projects that can beautifully enhance your home and restaurant decor. We hope you found inspiration in the creative possibilities that rustic wood offers, from handcrafted furniture to unique wall art. As you envision transforming your spaces, remember to stay with us until the end of this video for even more ideas and tips that can make your projects a reality. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might also appreciate the charm of rustic woodworking. Your support helps us continue bringing you valuable content and inspiring projects that celebrate craftsmanship and creativity. Thank you for being part of our community. Extending rustic woodworking to outdoor spaces enhances their usability and appeal. Garden benches, picnic tables, and planters made from durable yet attractive wood can create inviting areas for relaxation or dining al fresco. In restaurants, outdoor seating crafted from sturdy wood can bring diners closer to nature, providing an open and airy atmosphere that invites lingering. These elements allow for a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor settings, enhancing the overall dining experience. Every space benefits from statement pieces that capture attention and inspire conversation. Whether it's a grand fireplace mantel made from reclaimed wood or a large wooden wall clock, these accents can define the character of a room. In restaurants, such pieces contribute to the theme and overall atmosphere, offering guests a memorable experience. At home, they can serve as reminders of personal taste and the beauty of craftsmanship, inviting approval and admiration from visitors. Lighting is a crucial element in setting the mood for any space. Rustic wood can be utilized to create unique lighting fixtures that blend functionality with artistic expression. Pendant lights made from reclaimed beams or wooden bases can cast a warm glow, enhancing the ambience. In restaurants, the right lighting can make a significant difference in how food is perceived, while in homes, it can create intimate settings for gatherings. Choosing warm-toned bulbs further accentuates the rustic nature of these wooden fixtures. In both homes and restaurants, functional storage solutions are essential, and rustic woodworking offers myriad options. Wooden crates, shelves, and cabinets crafted from reclaimed wood not only serve practical purposes but also contribute to the overall aesthetic. Open shelving in kitchens, for instance, can display artisanal dishes and glassware, while also providing easy access. In dining areas, rustic storage units can house menus and wine displays, crafting an experience that feels curated and intentional. Integrating natural elements into rustic woodworking can emphasize a connection to the outdoors. Pieces that showcase the unique shapes and grains of wood bring an organic touch to both home and restaurant decor. Items like live-edge tables, where the natural outline of the wood is preserved, highlight the beauty of the material itself. This approach not only enriches the visual appeal but also fosters a tranquil atmosphere that encourages relaxation and enjoyment. Rustic woodworking can also lend itself to seasonal decor changes. Crafting items that reflect the changing seasons can keep a space feeling fresh and inviting. For example, wooden holiday decorations or centerpieces made from wood can enhance festive gatherings, creating a warm and welcoming environment for both homeowners and restaurant patrons. This adaptability allows for an engaging atmosphere that evolves throughout the year. One of the beauties of rustic woodworking is the ability to personalize and customize pieces to reflect individual tastes and needs. Engraved wooden items, such as serving boards or coasters, can celebrate special occasions or be used to carry branding for restaurants. This level of customization not only enhances the personal connection to the decor but also offers unique gifts that hold sentimental value, making them cherished items for years to come. Engaging in rustic woodworking projects can also foster community spirit. Hosting workshops where people can learn crafting skills not only shares the joy of woodworking but also brings individuals together to collaborate and create. These social events can strengthen community bonds and encourage appreciation for handmade art, transforming the perception of decor into a shared experience that resonates deeply. Ultimately, rustic woodworking projects embody a timeless appeal that resonates across generations. The durability of well-crafted wooden items means they can be cherished for years, with the potential to become family heirlooms. In both homes and restaurants, the stories behind each piece of wood create a narrative that enhances the emotional connection to the space. As people continue to seek authenticity and craftsmanship, rustic woodworking will remain a cherished element in decor, bridging the past with the present while promising a legacy for future generations. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on rustic woodworking projects. We truly appreciate your interest and hope you found the information inspiring and valuable for your own creative endeavors. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, exploring the beauty of rustic materials can lead to exciting transformations in your home or restaurant decor. Your support means a lot to us, and we encourage you to utilize the ideas shared throughout the video as a springboard for your own projects.